Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Anna, and today I thought we could do a little quick rundown and swatch video of the e.l.f. Cream Glide lip liners. I've got nearly every shade here, and I thought it would be a useful video to go through all the colors, swatch them out, and talk about them because these are so affordable and easy to get your hands on at the drugstore. And yeah, I think they're kind of versatile and an interesting formulation, so I thought it'd be cool to go through the shades and see what they look like, because there's definitely some beautiful shades in here. If that interests you, just go ahead and keep on watching. Before you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know down below some more lip products you want to see swatched out, some collections coming your way. I have more Revlon, yes, more Revlon Super Lustrous lipsticks. I have a whole playlist of lip swatches over here. I've got Revolution Beauty coming your way, CoverGirl, quite a few lip swatching videos lined up for y'all. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. And don't forget, I do short form lip swatches as well. So all right, on to the swatches. Now, I don't have every single shade of this range, but I got most of them. So they're listed for $3 on the e.l.f. website. I believe on Amazon you can get them cheaper, and of course there's always sales in Walmart and different places where things do retail a little cheaper, but $3 for a lip liner is still pretty dang good. And there is quite a few shades listed online. In store, I've noticed, like in Walgreens stuff, I only see like 4 or 5 shades available, but online there's a ton more. These are a creamy soft pencil that glides on smooth to shape and sculpt the lips with high pigment color and a semi-matte finish. They fill the lips with no tugging, smooth, so they deliver a high color payoff, wears beautifully alone or under lipstick. I would agree with that. These you can treat as lip liner or as just a lipstick themselves, or with some gloss like the e.l.f. lip glosses. They pair up beautifully. Yeah, the original line I think was 8 shades and they've increased it since. So these come in 14 shades. I have 10 of the 14. So one thing I want to say about these, they have a very creamy formulation. They're more akin to a lipstick than a lip liner. They're not the most long-wearing lip liners on the market. They are more like they're more akin to lipstick, like a traditional lipstick. So there's that. These are not going to be the most long-wearing ones on the market at all, but I think they offer something unique in that respect, is that they can be worn alone as and treated like a lipstick. Like they're not drying. So if you're somebody who doesn't like a drying lip liner, these are going to be a good option because they do glide on very easily and they feel more like a lipstick than they do a lip liner. Because I know some lip liners can be very drying, very tuggy. You're not going to come across that with this one. However, the downside of that is that they're not going to be the most long wearing either. But they do work fairly well. You just may have to touch them up a little bit more often than you would a long wear lip liner. I think these are kind of similar to like the ColourPop lip liners. If you've used those, they remind me a lot of it. First one up is called Pinky Swear, which is described as a pink beige. These are a traditional wooden lip liner, so you do have to sharpen them. Here is Pinky Swear. This is, for me, a Your Lips But Better color. Very similar to Pillow Talk. That type of shade. It has a little more color than Pillow Talk, honestly. But that almost matches my natural lip color perfectly. And I'm just going to go ahead and fill the lips in with them so you can see what they look like all over. And see how smooth they look. Like they look more like just a traditional lipstick when you fill in. And they feel more akin to a lipstick. They definitely do have that semi-matte look to them, but they're very pretty and they do wear really nicely. I think with a gloss over top or a lipstick, they're just not going to be like super duper locked in all day lip liners. This is Pinky Swear. Next up, we have Truth or Bear, which is described as a peachy pink. And this one has a little more warmth in it than Pinky Swear. All right, so this one is Truth or Bear. It's a perfect, like, warm, light nude color. Okay, and then next we have got Baddest Beige, and that is described as a light neutral beige. It's a very nice kind of neutral. It can lean into that grayish look if you wanted to. Really good for defining and sculpting, creating a full lip look. It has kind of a contour type color to it. It's like a shadow look. Baddest Beige. And next is one of my favorites. It's called Cinematic. This one is the most beautiful, like, well, cinnamon color. Yeah, a pink cinnamon is what it's described as, and that is a perfect description. And I think it has been in like kind of a favorites type video. It's one that I find myself reaching for so much, especially in the fall. So it goes with so many of my favorite lipsticks. Here we have Cinematic. All right, Spill the Tea. This is a medium warm brown. See, this one really does look like tea. It has that kind of yellow undertone to it. So this one is Spill the Tea. All right, next we got, I think, what might be my favorite, and that is Mauve Aside. I use this one a lot. And of course, Mauve Aside is, and this is a warm rose mauve. I mean, look at that. That's such a good color. So this is Mauve Aside. Might be my favorite. This one is Cinematic. All right, and next we have got That Merlot, though, is a soft burgundy. What a pretty color. I have not swatched this one yet. It's a perfect burgundy because it's kind of smoky. It's not purpley. It has a muted quality to it. And this is That Merlot, though. Who else is getting that excited over some Merlot except Fraser Crane? He's even, That Merlot, though. Niles, That Merlot, though. We had it Wine Club. Okay, and now we have Espresso Martini. Cool taupe brown. Oh wow, that is a really cool tone. Look at that. It's almost like MAC Stone in a way. Yeah, that's kind of similar to MAC Stone. Definitely in that grayish family. And I think because they are so creamy, they do wear down quickly, so you're going to sharpen them a little more. All right, and that is Espresso Martini. Very cool. Very dark grayish looking. Super cool tone taupe. Okay, and now we have got Dark Cocoa, which is gonna be a dark brown. Deep brown. Almost black. Has a bit of coolness in it. I like that kind of color when it has that little bit of, it's almost a hint of purple in it in a way. It's not a yellow brown. It's very flattering. Very 90s. This color is gonna be pretty fun. It's gonna work on a lot of skin tones as well. So this is Dark Cocoa. My stomach's growling so loud. I'm like, I got one more lip thing to swatch. I'm like, hush, tummy. You're not in this video. All right, and lastly is this reddish color. And this one is called Red Receipt. Described as a true red. I would not call this a true red, actually. It is a interesting kind of light, unique red that I don't have anything quite like this. In fact, it goes really well with those more kind of corally shades that I like for summer, those very fiery type colors. But it's not what I would consider a true red. Like that's more like, I don't know, bright coral or something, or more of a bright light red. It's very vibrant. But when I think true red, I think a little bit deeper, kind of a blue-based red. This has some orange in it. Like, this has some fieriness. Very summery. Now, I personally don't see them migrating or settling, but perhaps if you had some very prominent lines around your mouth, that could potentially happen. But I think these are very nice for people who have drier lips or just don't like the feel of matte lipstick or lip liners, but they need a lip liner. I just want something a little bit softer, a little bit creamier. I think these definitely have a place on the market. They're just doing something a little different. I think it's kind of cool. Like, I see the value in them, that there might be something that not everybody's gonna love about them, but I also could see that being something people would really love about them at the same time. So here we have Red Receipt, which, look at that. Doesn't that look so fun for summer with like an orangey lip? A coral blush, girl. A little bit of fake tan. So that is all of the e.l.f. Cream Glide lip liners that I have to swatch for you guys. I know that they have some other lip liner formulas available. I think they have their Love Triangle lip filler lip liners. Those come in at $5. And they used to have like a gel lip liner too at some point. But anyways, these come in at $3-ish. I think you can get them cheaper other places. I know I didn't pay $3 for all of these because I ordered some off of Amazon and they were definitely marked down. But look, Walgreens, of course, you know, the buy one, get one sales, never pay full price. But for $3 for a nice lip liner, it doesn't make me that upset. However, I will say you're going to burn through these a little bit quicker because they are creamy. You got to sharpen them a little bit more. But yeah, I've had some of these for quite some time now, and since they've come out, and they're still going strong, and I very much enjoy them. I really think they come out with some beautiful shades. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below on these lip liners. And yeah, I will definitely have some more lip swatching videos coming at you. Don't forget, there is a whole playlist of swatches over here. And I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe and may the peace of the Lord be with you always. Bye now.